Rahim. Dr. Yunus, Bangladesh Prime Minister, now running. So every month salary get 1,40,000 taka. So I Singapore get 4 lakh taka every month. So how many Dr. Yunus? 2.5 Dr. Yunus. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, my head inside give the magnet. So this magnet is very powerful. So this magnet who gave? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala no take the money because give me free. So anybody come, my side have Islamic antibiotic injection. So this injection is very power coming. So put the backside behind, very big injection. So this injection pushing after then many energy coming, then 5 times can pray because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala Muslim person, many life. This world, one Muslim have also Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala